Dear students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we discuss arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Problem is question is check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. हमें एक AP दे रखी है 11, 8, 5 और 2. इस AP में हमें ये बताना है कि माइनस 150 इसकी टर्म है या नहीं है. देन AP इज 11, 8, 5, 2 डेड डैश. हमें चेक करना है माइनस 150 इज अ टर्म ऑफ AP और नॉट. हियर an is equal to minus 150. First term a is 11. Common difference d is second term minus first term. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. And n we don't know. यहाँ हम n की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे और n की वैल्यू फाइंड करके ये देखेंगे कि n की वैल्यू नेचुरल नंबर आती है या होल नंबर आती है. अगर n की वैल्यू नेचुरल नंबर में आती है तो यस माइनस 150 इज ए टर्म ऑफ AP. और अगर n फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में आती है, रेशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में आती है, तब हम ये समझ जाएंगे कि ये an की वैल्यू an 1 माइनस 50 इसमें AP में नहीं है. सो फार्मूला इज an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d. Value of an is minus 150. Value of a is 11. n minus 1. Value of d is minus 3. Minus 150 is equal to 11 minus 3n plus 3. So minus 150 is 14 minus 3n. So we using transposing 3n is equal to 14 plus 150, and 3n is 164. So n is 164 upon 3. Then value of n is rational number. So we conclude minus 150 is not a term of AP. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of an AP. This is whole number. Not natural number. Yes, next problem is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Question number 7. Find 31st term. A 31st we find and we gives 11th term is 38. 11th term A11 is 38 and 16th term is 73. A16 is 73. Here we gives 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. We find 31st term. Then 11th term is 38. We write 11th term in the form of a plus 10d is 38, and we also write 16th term in the form of a plus 15d is 73. By using elimination method we solve this equation. a से a कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 15D में से 10D माइनस करेंगे तो -5D, 73 में 38 माइनस करेंगे, वैल्यू इज -35, माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो वैल्यू ऑफ D इज 35/5, तो D is 7. We put the value of D in equation 1. A plus 10 into D, value of D is 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. So A is 38 minus 70. The value of A is minus 32. So we find value of A and also value of D. To put the value of A and D, so we also find 31st term. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The 31st term A31 is equal to A minus 32 and 31 minus 1, value of D is 7. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7, so minus 32 plus 210, so value of 31st term is 178 answer. So we find 31st term is 178.